Welcome back, book buddies. Today we have a sound book. This is a super fun transport book. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different sounds. Let's go. H is for helicopter. P is for plane. Find the plane and helicopter pictures on the buttons to hear what noise they make. So let's find our helicopter. There it is. Wow, that's a cool noise. P is for plane. Let's find the picture of the plane. Meow. How cool. Can you find any animals above? If yes, what are they? We've got 1, 2. They're horses. Nay! Nay! Goes the horses. A is for ambulance. F is for fire engine. Find the fire engine and ambulance pictures on the buttons to hear what noise they make. So where's our ambulance? There it is. Quickly go, it's an emergency. And fire engine. Let's find the fire engine. Here we go. Oh no, we've got to go. The fire engine's coming. What other emergency vehicle can you see in the picture up above? I can see a police car. Nina, Nina. I can also see there's a firefighter and she's helping that cat stuck in the tree. And there's a duck and her babies. A little bee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. And a butterfly. What a very cool picture. B is for bulldozer. D is for dumper truck. Find the bulldozer and the dumper truck pictures on the buttons to hear what noise they make. So B is for bulldozer. Let's find it. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a very noisy bulldozer. Scooping up all the mud. D is for dump truck. Oh, he's dumping all the rocks. I think it's going to be noisy. That's all the rocks falling out of the dumper truck. Can you find 5 road cones? Oh yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's also a crane lifting up the big blocks. That's a building site. B is for bus. C is for car. Find the racing car and bus pictures on the buttons to hear what noise they make. Let's find our bus. Oh, there's our bus. Yeah, they're stopping at the bus stop to pick up his passengers. And there's our car. Nice orange car. Wowzers! Did sound like a racing car. How many cars are there on the racetrack? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. An orange car, a green car, a yellow car, and a purple car. Look, and someone's won the race. There's the trophy. And this bus is going bing, bing, driving through the town to collect all his passengers. T is for train. I is for ice cream van. Find the train and ice cream van pictures on the buttons to hear what noise they make. So let's find our train. Choo-choo! And our ice cream van, all the way up the top. All the kiddies know, oh, the ice cream van's coming, because they can hear the noise. I like this picture. There's a ferry and there's the kids at the beach and they can see the ice cream. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ice creams on the front. And these kids are going on the train. They're bringing their dog and their suitcase. And here comes the train. How many people are waiting at the train station? 1, 2. 2 people are waiting at the train station. Oh, I think that's all our buttons done. We'll do it real quick again because I really enjoyed that. H is for helicopter. P is for plane. A is for ambulance. F is for fire engine. B is for bulldozer. D is for dump truck. B is for bus. Where's our bus? C is for car. T is for train. And I is for ice cream van. Oh, how fun! That was a brilliant sound book. I really like transport ones. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye!